Hello everybody, this is a 2012 X5 with a water leak in the trunk compartment. This is, I guess you call it the acoustic baffle or sound baffle based on the material to quiet down that vent. I've got the cover removed, it just snaps right off. We finally determined that another source of the many sources of water leaks in this car is at the bottom two corners, left and right, of this vent. And my dealer quoted $730 odd to replace that vent. And I can't figure out for the life of me why it's so expensive. That vent is pretty cheap, in the $40 range. So how does $40 get to $700 some dollars plus? I'm going to assume, and I don't know this for a fact, but I'm going to assume that you have to remove the rear bumper. And the reason I say that is if you look at this vent, there are 6 tabs. I've circled 3 of them there. Those 6 tabs are outboard on the outside of the sheet metal. And I've tried everything I could to release that vent from the inside rather than replace the vent. Pull the vent out, put some sealant on here all the way around this, and then put it back in. But those catches, I cannot get them to release from inside the vehicle. I imagine if I pry on them enough I could, but they might break. One of the solutions is as follows. My plan of attack is to go a little simpler. I'm going to use duct seal. And it's sort of like just a putty. Here's what that duct seal looks like. I've rolled out a narrow piece of it. This will be easier to apply as a seal than trying to get RTV on the bottom side of that. This way at least I can press it up into place from below and hopefully seal that water out. I got my putty in place. I think that's really going to work. This stuff is really tacky and sticky, and it packs in really, really nicely. I think it's going to be just what I need to keep that water out at that lower edge, and saves me the trouble of having to remove the bumper and replacing this part. This part's very inexpensive. The vent itself is very inexpensive. And don't forget there's a sound dampening panel which has to go over the top of this yet. But I think that's going to work. Stay tuned to my channel. If you subscribe, you'll get updates on this. I'll definitely put an update if this doesn't work, but until you see an update, you should assume this was a good solution. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, how about a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel.